Hey everyone, Xiaomi, a company well known for its cutting-edge smartphones, just revealed the flagship Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Nevertheless, a recent leak that provided intriguing data about this next-generation range has already caused the tech community to become quite excited about the impending Xiaomi 15 series. By the end of this year, Xiaomi is planning to release the Xiaomi 15 series, according to reputable sources like Digital Chat Station. The improvements in camera technology are what make these new gadgets so fascinating. According to the source, Xiaomi is testing innovative camera features for the Xiaomi 15 series, such as an amazing 50-megapixel periscope sensor. This sensor is expected to raise the bar for smartphone photography, with its remarkable magnification and image quality capabilities. But that's not all. Xiaomi seems to be pushing boundaries further by testing a high-magnification telephoto shooter for the Xiaomi 15 series. This move signals Xiaomi's commitment to delivering top-notch camera performance, catering to photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Apart from the camera prowess, another highlight of the Xiaomi 15 series is its processing power. Digital Chat Station hints at these smartphones being equipped with Qualcomm's SM8750 processor, widely speculated to be the codename for Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Xiaomi has a history of being among the first brands to adopt flagship processors from Qualcomm, showcasing their dedication to providing cutting-edge technology to consumers. If these leaks hold true, the Xiaomi 15 series will continue this trend, offering blazing fast performance and enhanced efficiency. Based on our previous reports, it's anticipated that the Xiaomi 15 series will maintain a 6.36-inch flat display, offering a sizable yet manageable screen for users. Additionally, the lineup is rumored to incorporate an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, adding a layer of convenience and security to the user experience. It's crucial to remember that Xiaomi hasn't formally verified this information, and that they are only the product of rumors and leaks. It's advisable to treat these stories with caution and wait for official announcements from the corporation, as with other pre-release material. Fans of Xiaomi and tech aficionados are urged to check back frequently for additional updates that will give a better idea of the display technology and biometric security features that the Xiaomi 15 series will offer. The excitement surrounding the Xiaomi 15 series is at an all-time high as a result of these leaks. A possible debut date and more official information are eagerly awaited by tech enthusiasts and smartphone lovers who want to see what Xiaomi's next-generation flagship handsets are all about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.